Watch that squirrel. There's that bird right there. There's that hawk bird right there. Look right behind him right there. See that squirrel? Squirrel's picking on him. Watch that squirrel. There's the squirrel. There's the squirrel and there's the bird. Look at that squirrel right there, right beside the hawk bird now. Look at that squirrel. He's right there above the hawk. Look at him. There's the squirrel and there's the hawk. Look at that squirrel sitting right there just staring at the hawk. See the hawk on the left and the squirrel on the right. The squirrel picking on him. Squirrel he's gonna get his ass in trouble. Squirrel done went up behind him a while ago. Squirrel, you gonna get your ass in trouble. That bird got his head down like he's asleep, but he ain't sleeping. Oh, squirrel just sitting right there in front of him, right beside him, right in front beside of him. You can see the squirrel right there and the bird. See if I can walk a little closer, see what happens. Squirrel, you're fixing to get in trouble. You're fixing to get in trouble, squirrel. There's the squirrel and there's the hawk. Hawk looking at the squirrel. Oh, squirrel ain't scared of the hawk. He's getting right up there. He went right up to him, got about 3 or 4 feet, about 3 feet from him. Squirrel's over here right now. Hawk bird, I'm coming right here because I'm gonna film that bird, the squirrel and you at the same time. I don't know the sunshine right here. There's the hawk. He's right there above my head now. There's the hawk. Don't you poot on me. He just pooted. I'm glad I wasn't standing under him. Look at the squirrel. Look at that squirrel. Look at that squirrel right there. That squirrel picking on him. He's gonna get your butt in trouble if you don't leave that hawk alone. That squirrel, that hawk, he's just sitting there looking. I can't hold my hands up any longer. Yeah, that squirrel picking on that hawk. He's going up behind him, running all around. I see you right there looking down at me. I can see you looking at me. Yeah, that squirrel's picking on that hawk. I can't hardly walk. Squirrel hit, hawk done flew off now. That squirrel picked on him enough, the hawk had to leave, I reckon. Stop this video.